Hello, dear friends. Let's take a moment to review Bybit in just 3 minutes. The best crypto exchange or just hype? So let's go over our advantages. First of all, today I'll talk about this user-friendly interface. Here you can view the balance, see different icons, and there are various tournaments. There is high liquidity and low deposit fees. One of the main features of Bybit is high liquidity. Thanks to this, your orders are executed quickly, and the commissions remain among the lowest in the market. This allows you to minimize costs and maximize profit. Leverage and margin trading, security, and the mobile app I'm currently using. Bybit has an excellent mobile app that allows you to trade and monitor markets directly from your smartphone. It doesn't operate efficiently or smoothly, causing frustration. Here we can see various earnings, such as from different coins. We can buy and sell cryptocurrency using the trade button. Support for multiple cryptocurrencies, meaning there is a list of cryptocurrencies that we can buy and sell, and also invest in them and choose them. This is also an active community and support among users on this platform, as seen on the right. There is support we can turn to. So, if you want to trade cryptocurrencies, Bybit is a great platform for you. It offers convenience, security, low fees, and powerful trading tools. If you are not registered yet, follow the link in the description to start trading. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if it was helpful. See you in the next videos.